Hi, this is Tammy Perez at Tammy Perez Designs. I'm going to show you today how to make a shadow layer on a monogram. We have Inkscape open. We're going to choose File, Import, and choose the file we're going to create a shadow. You'll notice that this is a JPEG file. I'm going to click it and click Open. Comes in as a rather large file. We're going to go ahead and create the path for this. And you make sure it's selected, and then you click Path, Trace Bitmap. Make sure the Remove Background checkbox is selected, and we're also going to make sure that the brightness cutoff is selected, and we're going to choose Update, and that shows you what the monogram is going to look like. Now you click OK, and that creates the path. We want to close our Trace Bitmap window. And we're going to drag this over to the right, and you'll see the original file underneath it. We're going to delete that. Select it, click delete on your keyboard. Now we're going to select the monogram and make it a little bit smaller to where it fits inside this document window. I'm going to hold down Control, click the corner arrow, and we're going to drag it to keep its ratio height and width. Now I'm going to let go, and I'm going to drag it over to the middle. At this point, we're going to duplicate this image we have on our screen. The quickest way to do that is the shortcut keys. There are ways to go through the edit menu and do the same thing, but I just feel like this is a lot quicker, and once you learn how to do it, you'll love it. We're going to hit Control D, and that is going to make a duplicate of our original design. They're just layered on top of each other. Now we're going to go ahead and click Object, lower to bottom. That puts the one that's selected on the bottom. And we're going to click Red over here on our color bar. And now I want you to hit Control and your close parentheses. We're going to click it 2 times. 1, 2. And you'll notice that we've got a nice shadow layer around our monogram that would make it a really pretty easy to layer on top of each other. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. I'm going to use the plus mark on my keyboard to zoom in. And you'll notice we do have some spots in the middle that we might not want to cut out. And so I'm going to choose the second toolbar down, which is Edit Paths. Click it, and we're going to take out these nodes where the empty spaces are. So I'm going to click that one. Click. Whoops, sorry. Now click Delete. We're going to click the next one. Click Delete. Anywhere you see where you don't want it to cut, you can select that node and delete it. You can also drag across, and it'll select all the nodes in that section. So I'm going to drag across it, get those two together, drag across, get those two, drag across those. And you'll see sometimes in the middle of the design there'll be like a tiny little hole. You want to get rid of all of those. Okay, here's another one. Okay, I'm going to click off of it so you can see what it's going to look like. And that looks pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and choose File, Save As, and we are going to change the name of it so that we'll know what it is later. And you can just leave it as an Inkscape SVG, that's fine. Just click Save. Now you have your 2-layered monogram. Let me show you by clicking the select so you can see you got 1 layer on top, another layer on the bottom. Looks good. Stay tuned for more videos and quick how-tos. Thanks. Bye.